Hey, what is up everyone? So Samsung recently pushed a new update for the gallery application, at least for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The changelog for this update has been mentioned here. Also you can see the app version, which is 12.1.04.6. And with this latest update we have a new option included in settings, which is full screen scrolling. So when it is disabled, we have this black bar present at the bottom with pictures, albums and stories. And when you scroll down, this black bar will remain as it is. With this latest update, if I enable the full screen scrolling option, which is present here in settings, and now if I try to scroll across my pictures, you can see that the black bar present at the bottom has gone. Now we have a much cleaner and larger view of our photos present in the gallery application. Don't worry about the black bar, it is still there. You have to just scroll in the opposite direction. And as always, you can enable and disable this feature by going into settings. So this was the latest update regarding gallery application. I think it is much better and nicer now, as we have much clear view of our photos present in the app. Let me know in the comment section if you have received this update or not, as I see a lot of comments complaining about the missing update on their respective devices. Make sure you check for update by going into the Galaxy store. Here, swipe to the right and just tap on updates. Here you have separate panels both for the watch and for the applications installed on your Galaxy phone. So guys, that was about it for today's episode, and I hope you liked it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.